kind of lost, so we're just in limbo. Yep. I think we're lost. It's all gravel here. Yep, all gravel.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
I'm having a migraine. We have arrived here at the Lake Brunner Longhouse, and we're the only guests tonight. Yeah, we kind of got off track earlier, and we went to this off-road, and we got lost, and I had to fly a drone, and yeah, we were seeing a lot of gravel on the road, and I'm looking at it and like, shit, this car is not gonna make it. So we went back. Finally, we're here. Yeah. So anyway, look at the place. It's nice. It's a golf course, and there's a lot of things to do. Not really. Anyway, I'm gonna get this stuff out, and we're gonna go to our room. Yep.
Oh no.
It's Yebo.